Very good morning, students. Have you seen the recent lunar eclipse? With your naked eye, we can't visualize the phenomena distinctly. Then, how can we see the distant object in clearer manner? Yes, it is possible with telescope. Today, we are going to discuss about telescope. Telescope is an optical instrument to see the distant objects clearly. You know who is the first inventor of telescope? The first telescope was invented by Johann Lippershey in 1608. Galileo made a telescope to observe distant stars. He got the idea from a spectacle maker who one day observed that the distant weather clock appeared magnified through his lens system fitted in his shop. So Galileo observed the satellites of Jupiter and the rings of Saturn through his telescopes. Kepler invented telescope in 1611, which was fundamentally similar to the astronomical telescope. Types of telescope. According to optical property, it is classified into two groups. One is a refracting telescope and another one is reflecting telescope. When we combine this both, we are getting compound type of telescope. But basically we have two type only. One is refracting telescope and reflecting telescope. So combine this both the concept, we are having compound type of telescopes. In a refracting telescope, lenses are used. Galilean telescope, Keplerian telescope, achromatic refractors are some refracting telescopes. In reflecting telescope, parabolic mirrors are used. Gregorian, Newtonian, Gazargan telescopes are some reflecting telescopes. According to the things which are observed, we can classify the telescope into two. Astronomical telescope and terrestrial telescopes are the two major types of telescope. But according to the property, optical property, we can have a two difference. One is refracting and reflecting telescope. But according to the things which are observed, we can classify the telescope into astronomical telescope and terrestrial telescopes. What is astronomical telescope? An astronomical telescope is used to view heavenly bodies like stars, planets, galaxies and satellites. Terrestrial telescope. The image in an astronomical telescope is inverted. So it is not suitable for viewing objects on the surface of the earth. Therefore, a terrestrial telescope is used. It provides an erect image. The major difference between astronomical and terrestrial telescope is erecting the final image with respect to the object. So these are the points which we have about the terrestrial telescope. So we can know more points about the terrestrial telescope. So once again, let me explain about a terrestrial telescope. A terrestrial telescope is an optical instrument which is used to observe different terrestrial subjects of our planet. The terrestrial telescopes are comparatively smaller in size. The terrestrial telescopes produce erect images. These telescopes are used in the field of geography. And this is about astronomical telescopes. An astronomical telescope is an optical instrument which is used to observe the subject of the outer space. The astronomical telescopes are comparatively larger in size. These telescopes have huge magnification power. These telescopes are used in the field of astronomical science. So what are the different points about, that is, advantages of telescopes and disadvantages of telescope? Let me discuss now. Advantages of telescopes. Elaborate view of galaxies possible, planets, stars and other heavenly bodies we can be view in the elaborate manner. Second point, camera can be attached for taking photograph for the celestial objects. Telescope can be viewed even with the low intensity of light. So what is the first point we have? Elaborate view of the galaxies, planets, stars and other heavenly bodies is possible. Camera can be attached for taking photograph for the celestial objects. Telescope can be viewed even with the low intensity of light. So what are the disadvantages we have? Frequent maintenance needed. It is not easily portable one. I hope you all understood students about telescopes. Thank you.